are my sheep, Barney. I followed them here.
Oh, look, everybody. It's our good friend, Tommy DePaula. Hi, Tommy.
Hi, Barney. Hi, everybody. Glad to see you again.
Hi, Mr. DePaula.
Call me Tommy, please, okay?
Did you say those sheep are yours, Tommy?
Yes, Jason. They live right in this book, and they're always running off to help people who can't fall asleep.
Oh, well, maybe I can help you get them back into the book.
Could you do that, Barney? That would be great.
I'll try. I'll just set this right down over here. Little sheep with wagging tails and fluffy coats indeed. Please come back into your book. The story then we'll read. Boy. There you go, Tommy.
Oh, thank you, Barney.
Oh, you're very welcome. That looks like a fun story. And now that all the sheep are back in the book, would you read it to us?
I certainly will, Barney.
Oh, good. We won't make a peep while you read to us about sheep.
Okay, everyone. The book is called Charlie Needs a Cloak.
Oh, did you draw the pictures too, Tommy?
I sure did, BJ. I am the author and the illustrator. Okay, everyone, gather around.
Oh, good. Story time.
This is gonna be neat.
Here we go.
Okay. Charlie was a shepherd. He had a cozy house, a big hat, a crook, and a flock of fat sheep. But everyone said Charlie needs a cloak.
Yeah.
Poor Charlie. He really needed a new cloak. So in the spring, Charlie sheared his sheep. He washed the wool and carded the wool to straighten it out. Then Charlie spun the wool into yarn. Now, Charlie wanted a red cloak, so he picked some pokeweed berries during the late summer and boiled them over a fire. Then Charlie dyed the yarn red in the berry juice. After the yarn was dry, Charlie put the strands on the loom.
Look at the mouse.
And every fall evening, he wove the yarn into cloth. Charlie put the cloth on the table and cut it into pieces. Then he pinned the pieces together and sewed them. And then when winter came, Charlie had a beautiful new red cloak.
I really liked your story, Tommy.
Thank you.
Me too. I never knew you could make clothes out of sheep's wool.
Yes, right.
The little mouse that was taking something on every page was cute. Yeah, could you show us how to draw her?
I sure could.
Oh, great.
yeah.
Oh, drawing
All
lesson.
right. I'm going to start out with two sort of circles. Almost circles. There's one, and there's another. Aha, you know what that is. And I'm going to put some inside of ears here. And I'm going to make two little dots like this with a little white space in them for our little mouse's
Eyes.
Right. I'm going to connect these two ears and make a shape like this with a little point on the bottom of it.
Oh, that's
Now, do you know the mice have whiskers just like cats? Because they need them to see if they can get into the holes, the little holes they make or not. Now, another big circle like this, big circle shape like that. Kind of like that. Now, what should I do next? Tail, right, okay. So we'll give this mouse a nice big tail like this.
That's a mouse.
Okay. There we go. And some little paws like that. Now let's put some color on here. I'm going to put a pink ears. Oh, I love pink ears. I like rabbits with pink ears and mice with pink ears. And a little pink nose. And I'm going to put something here. See if you can guess what it is. What do mice eat?
Oh, cheese.
Cheese, right. And let's make it Swiss cheese. So we'll put some holes in it like that. Okay. Okay, now I finished that drawing, and what do I have to do now that I finished it?
Sign your name.
Sign my name, right. And I have a trademark. You know what it is, Barney?
Oh, a trademark? Oh, it's a heart.
Right. I always draw a heart, like that, and then I write my name, T-O-M-I-E, Tommy. See how easy it is to draw a mouse? Now you can draw one yourself.
Oh, that's great. We've been making up stories all day, Tommy. It's fun.
That's great, PJ, because you've been using your imaginations to pretend. And I use my imagination every time I make up a new story and draw pictures for it.
Oh, we like using our imaginations too, Tommy.
Oh, great, Barney. Well, I'm afraid I'm going to have to go. I promised that I'd deliver this book to the library today.
Oh.
And Barney, thank you for helping me get my sheep back in the book.
Oh, and thank you for reading your book to us, Tommy.
Oh, you're welcome, Barney.
It was great.
Well, goodbye, everybody.
So
See you
long.
again, I hope. Okay?
Thanks for coming by.
Bye, Tommy.
See you soon.